how to send one-time view, picture, and videos on WhatsApp. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now basically all you have to do is to go ahead and open the WhatsApp application right here. And once inside, you then want to navigate through the conversation that you want to go ahead and send the one-time pictures or videos of. In my case, as an example, and due to security reasons, I'll just go ahead and select one of my communities right here. Once inside, you want to go ahead and click on camera. And once inside camera, you can then go ahead and take a picture or video, or you can just go ahead and click on this button right here and it will take you to your WhatsApp photos and videos. From here, you want to select your photos, and right beside the caption, you can then go ahead and see a one button right here. You want to go ahead and click on it and you want to click on send. Now unfortunately that specific feature is not available in communities, so you can just go ahead and click on one and there you go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.